Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and some people have asked me how to recognize the different types of USB cables. So I thought I'd make a video talking about them. So here's the cables and these plugs and how to know which one is type whatever. So basically you have it's become a little difficult because you have like tons of different little connectors for USB depending on plugging it to your PC or to a device. So one of the things you gotta check out, of course, is when you order a cable or check out what cable you need, well, you gotta check out what plug it actually has. So some of the most popular in older times, a little less today because a lot of devices use cables that are smaller because of small form factor of devices. But first, the type A and B, which is here the third one from the left, that's type A. And of course, in type A, also the two here are type A, but they have different colors because the color represents the USB speeds. So a white colored is USB 2, a blue colored USB 3 standard. So that's A. That's what typically a lot of PCs have on available on their ports. The other one, and this is mostly printers that use that. On the right side of the screen, you see here USB Type B. Once again, it's color coded: white for USB 2 and blue for USB 3. So these are typically more printer cables, but they can be used in different machines, of course. So Type A and Type B, these are the original USB connectors. These were the first ones that we've seen, but as time went by, a lot of devices started having smaller ports. So among the other more popular ones, you have, if you look at the USB 2.0 Mini B 5-pin, this is a Mini B. It's available and it's very popular on many devices, MP3s. Some phones use it. A lot of portable devices use it. So this is probably after the Type A and B, the most prevalent right now. Followed by the USB 2 Micro B 5-pin that is on the center of your screen, almost. That is micro. So you see a difference in the naming, mini and micro. There's a small difference here that you need to understand. So it's a little flatter. So that's of course easier to see. One that is not seen that often, but the micro B10 pin that is right to the right of it. I've got one device here that has it, and it's a USB hard drive. So you might see this. This is not something you see very often, but it is available from time to time. And what will maybe become one of the most popular ones in coming months and years, and it's starting to really take a good hold, is the USB Type-C. The USB Type-C, what's interesting with it is that it's not A or B or whatever. A lot of it will be C on both sides or A to C, depending if it's for a PC or not. But a lot of new phones and devices use this USB Type-C, and a lot of PCs, newer PCs, are coming with USB Type-C in their ports rather than A as the standard because it's flatter, and also has a standard that's very nice. It can actually have a lot more power going through it, which means that for powering devices that need more electricity, it's a good thing. And that's really what's getting more and more popular, the Type C on the left side of your screen. So these are the different types. Just look at the plug you have, look at the naming that it has here on that chart, and basically you'll be able to choose the correct cable if you need to do so. And as for USB 2 or 3, remember that USB 3 are backwards compatible to USB 2. So if you have the choice, choose a USB 3 cable like that. If you ever have USB 3 devices in the future, that cable will be there for higher speeds of the USB standards. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.